The best hammock chairs for indoor and outdoor lounging. Spend your weekend relaxing on a hammock set up comfortably in your home or outdoors. We have created a list of the best hammock chairs to help you choose the right one. These chairs are compact, adaptable, portable, and comfortable. They are easy to install, making them suitable for travel. Whether you want to carry them for camping or to a beach, they have you covered. You can also use them at home to relax while watching movies or reading books. Easier to handle than bed hammocks, these chairs are a convenient alternative and thus popular among campers and travelers. With various designs, features, and sizes, choosing the right one can be challenging. So, explore our list to watch more. Number 1. Best with Zipper. Outree Pod Swing Set. The Outree Pod Swing Set is ideal for kids to encourage them to sit back and relax comfortably while reading a book or listening to some music. The sensory swing goes a long way in calming kids down and giving them a unique space of their own. The hammock chair can be used indoors and outdoors and has an adjustable length feature between 15 and 26 inches, depending on your comfort. The easy-to-install hammock chair also comes with a manual and 2 types of screws to set up the swing wherever you want. The 100% cotton canvas material is soft and warm. The removable and inflatable cushion inside is made from PVC material. The kids' pod swing can support up to 170 pounds. Suitable for children aged 2 years and older. The hammock chair is different and quite comfortable to sit in while reading, watching TV, or listening to music. It is an attractive piece for any child's room that is unique and space-saving. Number 2. Best with Sturdy Chair, Y-Stop Hammock Hanging Chair. Enjoy moments of relaxation with the Y-Stop Hammock Hanging Chair that helps you balance your work-life routines. The hammock chair is made of a high-quality structure that complements both indoor and outdoor spaces and can be transported easily as well. It is built to be strong and can support up to 330 pounds without tearing or breaking. You can amp up your relaxation corner by hanging out this hammock chair and adding a few cushions because the stand is backed by a hook and stainless steel chain. A comfortable hammock chair swing provides the best reading place for busy people. You can easily meditate or enjoy the scenery. It is very suitable for use in bedrooms, balconies, courtyards, and gardens. The portable hammock swing chair has a side pocket. The unique side pocket can hold mobile phones, books, iPads, and drinks, which is very convenient and provides you with a good reading space. Number 3. Best Durable. FDW Store Hammock Chair Stands. With a 360-degree rotational ability, the FDW Store Hammock Chair Stands let you lounge on your balcony or your backyard in your preferred position. The free steel snap safety hook, along with the crisscross X-shaped base, makes it safe and sturdy to use. The hammock chair stand is made of powder-coated steel with an anti-weather finish to withstand changing outdoor conditions. Indoor and outdoor hammock chair stands can be used in garden, patio, yard, and more. Also, you can use the hammock stands rest under the sunset, relax poolside, or lounge on the December, nestle into hanging hammock chair stand cocoon while reading, listen, and so on. Hammock chair stands. Hammock chair outdoor hanging hammock chair stand heavy duty only stand indoor hammock C-stand solid steel. The hammock chair stands are made of powder-coated steel and a rust-resistant finish for durable hammock stands that stand in most weather conditions of the hanging hammock chair stand. Hanging hammock chair stand heavy-duty only stand indoor hammock C-stand solid steel hammock chair stands hammock chair outdoor. Number 4. Hammock Sky Large Brazilian Hammock Chair. If you're looking for a child, family, and pet-friendly hammock chair, this one may be your best bet. The ultra-comfortable and aesthetically pleasing chair fits right into your backyard decor with its high-quality, strongly woven fabric that can withstand both children and pets playing with them. The solid bed offers resilience and safety to your home because it is also structured to be lightweight and portable. For both indoor and outdoor uses, this hammock chair also comes with a free carry bag to let you store it when it's not in use. Feeling of weightlessness. Our Brazilian-style hammock chair is tightly woven with comfortable, long-lasting colorful cotton thread that gives the user euphoric feeling of laying on a soft sponge. Vibrant colors are meant to accentuate and enhance your porch, cottage, or backyard decor. The solid fabric bed ensures safety for children and pets while being absorbent enough to take their abuse. This hammock chair can be hung in the backyard, bedroom, living room, on the porch, makes for a colorful porch swing, on the balcony, or at the cottage. Number 5. Best Safe to Use. Deerfamy Camping Swing Chair. Do you want a stable structure that is high on safety to take with you on a camping trip? The Deerfamy camping swing chair is ideal for the backyard and lawn and on the beach or at the campsite for your next trip. Enjoy reading a book or the adrenaline rush of just swinging with this one. It's a hammock, no need for trees, a swing you can take it anywhere, a fantastic combination. With this hammock chair, you can have more fun while camping. Everyone will want to steal it from you. You can easily set up or detach this hammock chair in seconds to save more time on enjoying your leisure time. With the included storage bag, you can enjoy the fun of swinging anywhere. Oversized design and filled with thick and soft deep foam, giving you a comfortable feeling of wrapping. The metal bar on the back can provide good support for your back. You will not feel tired after a long sit. 600D polyester fabric, thickened steel tubing, and ergonomic design make the swinging chair hold up to 350 pounds and very durable. No worry about your weight and safety. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, does check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.